Hey guys, today I want to do a review of my chainsaw I had. It's a 10-year review. This is a Stihl MS 290 right here. MS 290 Farm Boss. Bought this saw new in, I think, 2010, so it's 2021. So I've had this saw for 11 years. Man, what a great saw. If you can find one of these, this is the old 290 Farm Boss. Guys, I've had it for 11 years. I've changed the plug in it actually one time, I think. I've never had to do any work to it, and the saw's just has been great for all these years. I've been cutting on the log pile here with it pretty heavy this fall and winter. I've got probably at about 11 or 12 cords of wood cut with it. But it's got an 18-inch bar on it. Some of the things that I do to keep it running good is every day after I'm done cutting with it, I'll take it home and I'll pull the cover off. I'll take and brush out all the sawdust, do the air cleaner. I'll clean it off the air filter. I'll get it cleaned off. Just clean it up good. I sharpen my chain every day when I'm done cutting with it. I think I have about 6 chains with this saw, 6 or 7 chains for it that I'll rotate in and out. But I always carry a sharp, I will not cut unless this is a virgin chain that's just been sharpened by me. I've started doing all my own sharpening by hand with hand files, and I used to send it to the local hardware store. I'd take my chains to the hardware store and have the guys up there do it. And with the volume of wood that I've been cutting, you know, it just doesn't make sense for me to send it up there. And honestly, I think I can do a better job sharpening on my own by hand. And what I'll do, and I'll do a video on that one day too, but I put the saw in a vise and I just hand file it, and I pay attention to my angle, and man, does it cut well. So you can find these Stihl MS 290s on Craigslist and Marketplace and stuff. They're still gonna run you around I don't know, in our area, I'm thinking at least probably around 300 bucks for one. But you want to talk about a great saw that's just dependable and cuts really well. And like I said, I've had it for 10 years and I've never had any problems with it. So this is it, guys, the MS 290 Farm Boss. One thing about it's really easy to use. Right here is here's your choke. So when you're starting it cold, you put it all the way down, pull it one time, and there's the half choke or whatever, and then just squeeze the trigger, and then it's ready to run right there. The cleaner or the cover comes off nice and easy. You can see it's kind of dirty here. I've been cutting with it. I'll clean it up today after I'm done. One thing too about these saws is this piece here. You'll notice right here there's a little snowflake. So in the winter time, I guess it helps with the carburetor, you want to turn this around so you can see the snowflake instead of the sun. So I do that as well when it's cold out. I'll make sure I've got that turned around to the snowflake. But what a great saw. Let me turn it around here. We'll do some cutting with it. I'll show you what I've been doing. I've been getting into some see behind me here, I just buzzed up a bunch of this hard beech and some red oak and a little bit of maple in there as well. And I've been doing some split, and I've got a lot of nice wood split that we're going to be selling this spring and summer. These logs, like I've said before, these logs have been sitting in the pile for, this spring will be 2 full years that these logs have been laying here. And the ones that are up off the ground, you can tell they're they're nice logs. They're gonna be great firewood. So let me turn this thing around and we'll do some cutting. Okay, here's a look at the lower wood pile, I'm gonna start calling this. I've got 4 nice rows there, and still got this big pile of poplar here.